In this video, I'm going to show you 3 affiliate programs that you can sign up for free that pay you for life. So what do I mean by that? It means they pay recurring commissions. You make one sale, and if the customer keeps paying, you keep getting paid commissions. I have affiliates who I'm paying every single month just for one sale they made months ago. And I have other affiliates who've made lots of sales and have made thousands and thousands of dollars in recurring affiliate commissions. So I'm going to show you 3 programs that you can sign up for free and earn recurring commissions with. But before I go on, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification icon. Okay, so the first one here is realppvtraffic.com. This is the affiliate program. It pays 30% recurring commissions. And what we are promoting is a traffic service, and everybody needs traffic. We'll come here to the main page. This is the affiliate page. I'll put the link below. But in case, we're selling all different types of traffic, and it's very reasonable. It's way less expensive than Bing or Google, so it's really easy to sell. And every single business is looking for traffic. You could find businesses that are advertising using Google AdWords, contact them and let them know we have an alternative here, just starting at $39 a month. It's crazy. It's really inexpensive. They start getting views. They get, it helps their SEO because the traffic lets Google know that there's websites there. And also we get them real visitors as well. And there's also SEO traffic here that you could promote as well. There's the SEO traffic. Now this is great because these people tend to stick a real long time because they're looking to increase the metrics of their site and to get noticed on Google. And this traffic bounces around much less. So they stay on the page longer. So they have longer stay times. And it is specifically designed to help boost their SEO. And the people who you want to talk to about this are people who have real businesses who are making money now and just want to increase their presence in Google and want to just get some traffic to their website. So we have this SEO traffic and people stick with it forever. So it's a great recurring business model. Real PPV traffic. Now, I'm going to put the links to all of these in the description, but if you want me to send you the links where you can sign up for free to all 3 of these affiliate programs, just click, comment below recurring commissions and spell it any way you want. I don't care. Okay. Recurring commissions, and I will send it to you in the comments. Now here's another one, our classifiedsubmissions.com affiliate program. I've put out thousands and thousands of dollars on this, and you get 50% recurring commissions on whatever they buy. Now they have some larger packages. You could make like $98.50 off of one of them. One of them, the packages pays $148 depending on which package. And the great thing about classifiedsubmissions.com, you get paid on multiple products and services. We have our ad submission services, but we also have a video marketing service. We also have a video creation service, a done for you landing page service. And all you have to do is send them to the site. It sets a cookie, and if they order any of the services, no matter from which page they came, you're going to get credit. Even if they sign up for free as an affiliate themselves, they're hard-coded to you so that if they order something themselves, you are going to get credit for it. And this is a great service. We promote their ad to thousands of classified ad pages every single month on autopilot. Here's the service. We have a yearly version. We have quarterly version. We have monthly versions, and it's inexpensive advertising. Everyone's looking for inexpensive advertising. You get 50% recurring commissions on this. It's a great value and it's a great deal for you. And there's multiple products and services here, and you get commissions on everything. So go ahead and comment below recurring commissions. And if you can't spell recurring, just say commissions. I know there's like a lot of different ways of spelling that. Just say commissions in the comments below. I'm going to send you the links to all 3 of these programs. The next one is System. Now, I do not own this one. I own the first 2. I run those. But this one I signed up for It is such a good affiliate program because it also, the thing to keep in mind, it has to be a good service. This is a really good service. It's what I'm starting to use for my email marketing. They do a lot more than just email marketing, but I'm starting to use it for that. 60% lifetime commissions. You do not get any more generous than that. They're giving you most of the money. And this is a system like an all-in-one marketing system. It really starts off with email marketing. Okay. They have quite reasonable packages and very generous packages. You know, I did a review on them earlier. I mean, you can start for free. So this is easy to sell. You can get people starting on the free and then they upgrade. You can have up to 2,000 contacts in your email follow-up system and send unlimited emails. It's a terrific deal. And even at every level, for the 97, you get unlimited everything. That's just fantastic. I was paying $300 a month at AWeber, and I switched over to them, and I'm starting to use them more and more. And it's got a lot of features. You could do a million other things with these guys too. You can run a course. You do, sales funnels, on and on and on. You could set up a page and sell stuff because you could set up a whole blog. You could set up a website with this, and they pay you 60% recurring commissions, lifetime commissions, and they have yearly options for all of this. Like, say, someone could order the $47 one at a yearly price. Okay, they get a discount, but now we're talking about higher ticket stuff. Someone could order this $970 for a year. You get 60% of that. That's not bad, folks, and it's a great service to recommend. So those are 3 affiliate programs that you can sign up for free and start promoting right now. One thing you could do, you could set up a YouTube channel reviewing marketing services and software. Might be an idea on how you could promote this. You put your affiliate links below, people order it, you get affiliate commissions. So there's 3 ideas for you. Comment recurring commissions, or if you can't spell it, just commissions below in the comments area. I'll send you the 3 links where you can sign up for this. Thank you so much. I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you think this video was helpful, also please forward it to a friend. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, click the video down below right there on the screen. Thank you so much.